Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have a 2007 Shelby GT500 with, 800 wheel horsepower. Nothing. Yeah, that's casual. All right. Sweet. Do you mind going into depth about the build and all that fun stuff?
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough. I think that's going to be our slogan for the day.
Yes. You can roll down that window if it's hard to see it.
Yeah, that clutch is a bugger.
Yep. Definitely wonderful.
Oh yeah, one thing I should have told you before I started the camera, we can't swear because YouTube will shut my channel down.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Does it hook in second or no?
Yes.
Oh my god.
It should. Should be fine. If it spins, let out. It hooked for you.
That's fun. I like that. This is a lot better than what it was doing before.
Yeah, sorry about that. That was my fault.
I thought I broke it.
No. Yeah, these cars, if they don't have the intercooler pump working correctly, they really do not like life. The intake temps, if they go over like 140, it kills timing. It cuts it back like 5 degrees.
Stock shifter?
MGW. I mean, we're doing, how fast are we going right now? 65. You can put it in 6th gear right now and drive it like an everyday car.
That's
1700 RPMs, just get in it, drive it.
That's the craziest part.
Yeah.
I noticed that with Steve's car too. It's like, all right, you can drive it.
Yeah. They're very well driver-friendly cars, which a lot of people don't understand.
This one's a bit more finicky, but
definitely more finicky because of the cams, but that's
your choice,
yeah, that's my choice.
Steve's is worse than this, you're good.
I balanced mine like 2 different times. Each time I balanced them, they went to 0, put them on the car, had them rebalanced again, and they were off.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, it's I actually got the slicks balanced pretty well, though.
That's good.
Yeah. Yeah, but the front runners, for some reason, do not balance out.
Next time we're at the drag, Steve's gonna let me take his car down.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm probably gonna pee myself, but...
I mean, that just really shows you how impressive these cars are, though. I mean, his 140,000 miles.
I know, it
like
just...
60 drag passes. The car makes 800 wheel, like...
This one's only 12,000 miles? Jeez.
Huh?
This one's only 12,000 miles?
Yeah.
How's the U-turn ability for up here? Or should I just go down and U-turn somewhere else?
I think you'll be able to make the U-turn. Just install it on YouTube.
You know I will. It's happened before. One of my first ever videos was a C7 Corvette, and I had only driven manual for like a couple months.
Yeah.
And yep, first time I set off, stalled it.
Hey, we've all been there. I still stall this here and there.
Almost did there.
Yeah, it's terrible. Oh.
Bastard. Oh.
So close. Good job.
When it's straight.
That was a good 2-3. I'm actually impressed. Nice
Thank
job.
you.
Nice job.
Oh, I love this car so much. I want it. Oh, this is awesome.
Now it's only been you trying to review it for like a year now.
I know.
I just like how it's like fast, sounds great, it's a good looking car, it's a full interior car.
I know.
Like, we can have a normal conversation right now on the highway, windows down, but I don't know how because the car is extremely loud.
But then, you know, if you want to have fun. Does this have a watt box too?
It does, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's not on right now, so don't try it.
I know. I didn't even try it in Steve's. Thank you so much. This is awesome.
Oh, of course. I wanted you to just drive it for a long period of time. I just can't get it.
Oh, it's been craziness, so.
Not too many people have driven this. It's like Brandon, Derek.
Yeah, this is a group. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I don't even really drive it.
Well, you know, you have some other fun toys that make up for it, so. Pretty easy to rev match too.
Yep. Yeah, throttle response is really well.
Not gonna do it right by your ear. I'm not a jerk. Might look like one, but I'm not. Alright. Last set off on YouTube. Do not stall it now. Chances are I will, but don't do it now.
You're good this way.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.